your case study group, okay, ikut group yang sama juga. So this PBT is based on the overall chapter. Sepatutnya yang ni adalah chapter 5. Tapi dalam masa yang sama, you akan implementkan beberapa chapter 1, beberapa chapter 2, beberapa chapter 4, okay. So in making this one a program, so it is combination of different chapters, okay. But basically the major chapters for this PBT is chapter 5, okay. Ada satu slide dekat sana yang I buat perform remote admin, okay. So this is our highlight regarding our PBT, COVID-19, yes, making remote work productive and secure. So these are some scenario lah. You can see here, the spread of COVID-19 outbreak has made working from home as a new normal. Remote working brings new security risks where it enables the staff to remotely access the Windows, Mac or Linux computer from any other computer or mobile devices and work seamlessly from home. Okay. So the staff can instantly remote to their office or lab computers and get high-performing remote operation with features like file transfer, remote print, viewing multiple monitors and more. So your task is to, okay, what are your tasks? What are your tasks? Ada yang baru masuk lagi. So tugas you adalah untuk membuat yang pertama, propose a secure remote access for your Linux machine. Okay, dalam PowerPoint slide chapter 5 ada dua cara. We have the secure shell, SSH, hari itu ada terangkan. Okay, yang kedua menggunakan VNC, Virtual Network Computing. Okay, and then Linux provide different other methods untuk membuat remote access. Okay, remote access means that you are remoting the desktop lah. Maksudnya satu desktop tu jadi server, satu jadi client. Ataupun you can access guna handphone you masuk kepada PC you dekat rumah. Contohnya you are outside from your house, okay, so you want to do something, the file is in the computer at your home, okay, so the file is very urgently needed. So what you do is you already set, bila you dah set remote desktop, maksudnya dekat mana-mana you berada, okay, even though you are not with that PC ataupun laptop tu tinggal kat mana-mana, you can access the system from wherever you are, okay, as long as you have internet connection. Okay, so untuk tugasan PBT ni, you kena buat remote desktop. You can use your virtual box. Okay, maksudnya sekarang dalam virtual box you ada Ubuntu. Alright, this is Linux machine. So you need to identify, install satu lagi Linux operating system, contoh macam Linux Mint ke, Fedora ke, cari yang very light lah. Okay, so dalam you punya virtual box you have two operating system. Yang pertama you ada Ubuntu. Yang kedua you have the Linux Mint contohnya. So what you are going to do adalah untuk remote those operating system. Daripada Ubuntu you dapat masuk kepada you punya Linux Mint operating system, where you can share files, where you can copy files from the other operating system. Okay, so that is what I say a secure remote access. Yang ni adalah bila you buat yang I tanya tadi, yang I terangkan is Linux to Linux machine. Or you can do Linux to Windows. Right? So untuk you buat remoting ni, macam sini tu I buat wajib buat satu cara. Tapi untuk you punya batch, I do is I just open the method lah, tools. Okay. So this one is, you can see in chapter 5. Okay. Chapter 5 ada remote desktop, perform remote administration. Ataupun you can open the ebook. Buka ebook tu, dalam tu memang ada step by step dah. So you tak perlu nak Google, you just open the ebook, everything is in there. Apa command yang dipakai, everything is in there actually. Okay, so here, tapi one way how I want to give you full marks is this part. Okay, secure remote access. So this is the main keyword untuk you dapatkan full mark. So you boleh provide banyak cara. Contohnya you gunakan VNC. Contohnya you gunakan RAM5. Contohnya you gunakan RDP. But then, how secure is your remote tools at one? Okay, So this is the part where it's either you can get 5 marks, 4 marks, 3 marks, 2 marks or 1 marks. Rubik ni akan naikkan lepas ni. Okay. So this one. So propose. Maksudnya yang kedua, demonstrate lah. Maksudnya you kena buat rakamkan video step by step dah lah. Okay. So this one and this one saling berkaitan lah. It relates to each other. Lepas you identify apa you punya remote tools, you nak pakai VNC kah, you nak pakai SSH kah, you nak pakai RDP kah, you nak pakai what is that, Remima kah. So that is you are identifying. Lepas tu you buat remoting tu. Maksudnya you need to have, let's say you need to have 2 operating system, Linux to Linux. You decide to do this one, Linux to Linux. So maksudnya dalam virtual box you nanti, you ada 2 operating system. So sekarang ni you have Ubuntu. So next you need to install one more operating system lah, Linux operating system. Okay? Or you have Ubuntu, you want to remote to Windows. Okay? So it's up to you. But how I evaluate you to get full marks is this part. Secure remote access. Does your method provide a very secure remote access? Ataupun dia tak ada security. So we can remote, but there's no security that handle in that tools. Faham tak semua? Faham tak untuk part A ni? Question A ni faham tak semua?
Faham, madam.
Okay. So maksudnya, you can use any method, but you have to make sure that how you want to highlight this part in your tools. Okay. So bila kita kata demonstrate, maksudnya you buat macam case study you lah. Maksudnya, okay, step yang pertama, install another operating system. So that is your step. Yang kedua, okay, perform the remote. So what is the command involved? So you perform the commands in your laptop. Okay. So this is the part where you have to video shooting your command. Okay. So it means that I need your voice here. Okay, rakan. Voice recording here lah. Voice recording and caption. Okay. So this is the part. This one Alright. So demonstrate the solution is the command lah. Right. And then next one. Okay. Provide evidence that support your proposed solution. So dalam masa you mencari method, dalam masa you selesaikan masalah ni, right? So you have to identify evidence that support your proposed solutions. Mungkin ada orang dah pernah gunakan cara tu. So you get that article, okay? Maksudnya you kena cari article, journals, apa-apa, okay? And then that is the evidence. Evidence can be article lah ataupun project, up to you. Okay? So let's say that is an article. Kalau article, you bagi dia punya references. Okay, title dia, title article, and then link, or you provide PDF there. Okay, or if you see any project, okay, then you provide this one. You may provide the link lah as well. So how many evidence you can provide me? One evidence. Okay, one evidence. Tapi kalau you have more than one, this one, at least 2 evidence, okay? 2 evidence to get full marks. Okay, so maksudnya sini, untuk support you punya jawapan dekat atas ni, you kena cari bukti. Contohnya ada paper ke, ada news ke, ada journal writing ke apa, article ke apa. They are using that method to provide a secure remote access. Okay, understand that everyone?
Yes, madam.
Yes, madam.
Okay, so far any questions? A, B, C?
Madam.
Yes, what?
Question A in also in video, okay, madam?
A is actually you just directly go to here lah, demonstrate your solution.
Oh, okay, okay.
Okay, because when A you just already you identify already. Okay, so where you proposed here is in question B. Alright. Okay. Okay, Fikru?
Okay, madam.
Okay. So maksudnya yang directly you answer B lah. So maksudnya dekat dalam video you, okay, we have decided you cannot start your video. Okay, for the solution for a secure remote access, we have identified apa tools dia. Okay, so you tell about the tools, okay, and then you start untuk buat dia punya command or solutions to come up with the remote access. So demonstrate your solution ni sehingga nampak you can perform remote. Contohnya you boleh transfer file ataupun you boleh view file kat dalam folder yang komputer yang berbeza. So this is what I want. Okay. So here means that from the installation and then until, okay, until sharing file ke, or viewing file ke, different on okay. So this one B. So bila you demonstrate daripada you start installation tu, okay, sehingga you dapat share files gunakan remote tu. Start remote kan, you dapat control komputer tu. So I want to see until the last step of people remoting the remote machines lah. Okay. So yang evidence ni hanya you kena identify any articles ke journals ke untuk support your solution. Okay. So last one, so sambil you buat tu, dekat mana-mana you rujuk dalam website ke apa, you provide dia punya references. Okay, contohnya you refer kepada, for example, you refer kepada satu file. I take one example lah. Wait a moment. I copy di sana. I get one citation first. I want to show to you. Okay, huh? So I show you something first. So it's okay. So can you see, I am opening one Google Scholar here. Nampak tak semua? Nampak tak?
Yes. Nampak, madam, nampak.
Okay. So this is one method how you want to find articles atau journals ha. You pergi ni, website ni, Google Scholar ni. Google Scholar ni nampak. So you type dekat Google tu Google Scholar. Okay. So contohnya here remote desktop protocol. Carilah mana-mana yang ada kaitan dengan contohnya remote desktop protocol. RDP for example. Okay. So maybe this one is the implementation of the remote desktop protocol. So macam mana you nak buat references dia? Nampak tak ni? The icon this one, can everyone see on this icon?
Yes, madam.
Okay.
Yes.
So you can cite this icon is citing. So you ambil kim ni. Okay, you copy dia. You buka in your word. And then cari lagi yang lain. Baca, you have to read. Read, baca contohnya. Jangan sakit ambil citation tapi you don't read contoh. Okay. So this is one way how you want to find the journals lah. Gunakan Google Scholar class. You gunakan Google Scholar, cari any PDF yang ada kaitan dengan you punya proposed method. Okay, ni RDP. Kalau ni contohnya SSH. So we have here Okay. Kalau you gunakan Remima, tak ada betul lagi. Remima is Remima. BNC, so this one lah contohnya. So you at least you read 1 or 2 journals ni dan letakkan ni, click on this icon side ni and you set the references. Okay, so can you get it or not class? Macam mana nak buat references?
Yes.
Okay, buka ni Google Scholar. Alright. I repeat back lah. Takut ada yang miss. Okay. This is my go to your Google. Okay, that's my tab. New tab. Okay, nampak kan kosong, tab kosong ni, you type ni je. Google Scholar. Can everyone see or not?
Yes,
Yes,
madam.
madam.
So when you enter Google Scholar, dekat Google Scholar ni akan letak semua PDF. So next time when you want to do your project, report, apa-apa nanti untuk final project, dekat mana you nak tengok literature review lah. This is what I say, literature review lah. I kenalkan ni literature review for your final year project semester 5. You can use Google Scholar to identify articles, journals tentang project yang orang dah buat. Okay? So in Google Scholar, they keep all the journals yang dah publish. Alright? Okay, so now we get back to my window. Alright, so can everyone see? Nampak tak I dah ada references dekat bawah ni? Yeah. Can you see or not?
Yes.
Okay. So this is how. So bila I nak tengok betul tak you punya evidence ni, I akan buka file ni nanti. I akan type dekat Google Scholar dan nanti jumpa file ni. Okay. So this is literature review. So kita buat problem based task lah. So kita kena ada strong evidence untuk support you punya jawapan ni. Okay. So far okay not everyone? Make a very good video for this one You cannot. Yang last one pastikan you ada video presentation. Okay, so this is the last step lah. So in your video, just contents of this one, introduction to the tools. You beritahu apa yang pilih, kenapa you pilih, what are the features, some introduction lah. Kira macam one slide lah. Okay, tak perlu nak banyak slide. Lepas tu choose kepada you punya solutions. Okay, and evidence you dengan references you. Okay, so far anything you want to ask me regarding these questions? Kelas, ada apa-apa soalan?
So far, no, madam.
Okay. So when you are going to submit this one is on Monday next week So hari Rabu ni, this one is on Monday Monday next week. Okay. Submission is on Monday next week. If I see your video presentation is very good, okay, I tak akan buat any online presentation. Tetapi kumpulan yang buat video presentation is not that good, I akan buat secara personal dengan kumpulan-kumpulan tersebut. So if you want, means that this video presentation kalau I tengok you bagi penerangan yang very clear and very detail, I will not ask you to do your online presentation. Maksudnya cukup dah video presentation ni. Tetapi untuk kumpulan yang I tengok, the video presentation is half-half, I will make the video presentation with you secara online. Okay, understand everyone?
Yes, madam.
Okay, so this is about the PBT. So kalau ada soalan, you may ask me directly So kita dah di minggu hujung PNP. Okay, so minggu hadapan I nak last markah dah. Okay, and this Wednesday untuk hari Rabu ni kita ada buat test Test is something like is something like soalan yang hampir-hampir bentuk sama kepada you punya final exam later on. So what I'm going to do this Wednesday, 30 soalan 30 soalan. I buat chapter 1 until chapter 3 sebab chapter 1 until chapter 3 untuk final exam you adalah antara dalam 30 soalan lah. Okay, dalam 20 questions. So untuk you punya final assessment, you punya PALT, kemudian alternative is objektif. Okay, soalan objektif, 40 soalan, 1 jam setengah. So untuk hari Rabu nanti, I will make the question more or less similar as a revision lah. Okay. So kalau you dapat jawab hari Rabu ni, maksudnya you punya final assessment should be no problem for you to answer. Okay, so please hari Rabu ni, this is your second attempt. Okay, I nak suruh make sure you punya markah tinggi. Pastikan buat revision chapter 1 until chapter 3. I repeat back So the test I will open daripada pukul 8 hingga pukul 11. Masa menjawab adalah 45 minit, soalan 30 soalan. So clear not everyone?
Clear.
Okay. So yang dapat hari tu markah 4 out of 20. Tolong improve your marks. Tolong improve your marks. Alright? So anything you want to ask me? Before I take your attendance, before I dismiss the class? Ada apa-apa soalan lagi tak kelas? Tak ada soalan? Clear
Semua assessment hantar minggu ni ke?
Yes, minggu ni semua. Minggu depan dah last skin markah. Kalau you tak hantar, buat kosong.
Okay.
So remember, kalau PB tak lepas, you will fail this paper as well. So I nak remind balik, sesiapa yang tak hantar lagi assignment tu, tolong buka sidos, you tengok mana yang you tak hantar, tolong submit. Practical 1, practical 2, practical 3, case study, and then this one is the PBT. Alright? Okay, class?
Okay, madam.
Okay, so
Madam, this is our last assignment kah?
apa dia? Cida?
PBT our last assignment kah?
Yes, PBT is your last assessment already. Okay? Jangan lupa this Wednesday ada exam test online test So your PBT is the last assessment already. Alright? So let me take your attendance directly. Siapa? I share macam mana yang di attendance.